Hey guys, in this video, we're breaking down the 5 best drill presses available right now. We've included options for every type of consumer. If you want more information on the best and most up-to-date pricing on the mention, be sure to check the links in the description below. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting of our list at number 5 is the WEN 5-speed drill press. The WEN 8 inches 5-speed drill press is a cost-effective solution that offers excellent quality without sacrificing ease of use. Although it is hefty, this is to be expected, and it isn't so heavy that moving it around the workplace would be difficult. The castings are smooth so that you won't snag your sleeves or gloves on them, and the base is strong, making it ideal for supporting the head. While not the largest adjustable work table, the motor is also strong, but not so strong that you don't feel completely in control. This table can also be turned 45 degrees in both ways, so you may deal with oddly shaped items. Before utilizing the table, though, you might need to make some adjustments because it might not be straight. At number 4 is the Shop Fox 3/4 horsepower benchtop oscillating drill press. The Shop Fox 13 inches 3/4 horsepower benchtop oscillating drill press is a perfect, high-range option for people looking for a little more versatility in their workshops without taking up too much room. Large drill bits may be accommodated by its 5/8 inch drill chuck, and its 12-speed operation offers total control over a range of materials and applications. To increase your possibilities in the workshop, the Shop Fox equips its drill press with oscillation capabilities in addition to different speeds and huge chucks, which are almost typical. With this, you can finish drilling and sanding tasks with a single machine, and switching between applications is simple, thanks to tool-free changing. Although we would like that changing the belt speed be equally simple, the time you save by moving from drilling to sanding more than makes up for it. Top 3 at our list is the Jet J2500, 15-inch step pulley drill press. The Jet 15 inches 3/4 horsepower 115-volt floor model drill press is our top selection because it is undoubtedly the greatest drill press available for both metalworking and woodworking. Due to the wide range and 16-speed options, you may use it for a variety of tasks and be prepared to work with any material that is put in front of you. The spindle's continual lubrication and simple movement are made possible by its smooth functioning and ball bearings. The ground steel column also maintains stability, perfectly balancing the head and the table so that you have one less concern while working. Additionally, the work surface tilts 45 degrees to the left and right. It's also huge and exceedingly heavy at 167 pounds, so unless you've been working out like a machine recently, you might find it challenging to lug it around the workshop or garage if necessary. Moving up at number 2 is the Jet JWDP12, 12-inch benchtop drill press. In order to provide you with a superior drill press experience that is frequently impossible to find with lower-end goods, the Jet 12 inches JWDP12 drill press strikes the ideal balance between power and compactness. With a price tag of more than $400, it may be difficult for enthusiasts to justify spending the money unless they spend more time in the garage than with their own families. This is almost ideal for craftsmen seeking for a reasonably priced choice. Nevertheless, the base is robust for security, making it simple to adjust on your workstation, and it's also simple to set up and build, even if you ask your apprentice to help. Regardless of the material you're working with, its heavy-duty half-horsepower motor will produce good, dependable results, and the industrial 5/8 inch drill chuck is perfect for a variety of uses. And at number 1 is the small benchtop drill press. There's no need for a big machine that will take up a lot of room and have more power than you require if all you want a drill press for is precision work on small objects like jewelry, shells, wood trim, or building models. The Eurotool DRL 300.00 small benchtop drill press is a better option. The drill press fits into any workspace with ease thanks to its small platform size of 6.75 inches by 6.75 inches and overall dimension of 10 by 12 by 8 inches. Although it's not made for the most difficult drilling duties, despite its small size, it has some power. There are 3 speed options on the 110-volt motor, which has a top speed of 8,500 revolutions per minute. Bits up to 6.5 mm can be inserted into the 14-inch Jacobs chuck. So that sums up today's video. We hope you enjoyed, and if you did, please leave a like on the video. And if you're new here, hit that subscribe button. Until next video, have a great day.